let's make a cute orange pumpkin bag, only because I want one and for no other reasons. So I'm going to take this canvas tote bag that I think I got at Michael's like years and years ago that I've never used, and I'm going to just take some rubber bands and make some little circles with this. This is going to make your outline of your pumpkin shape, and then with a giant tub, I'm going to fill it with hot water, and I'm actually using 2 types of orange dye because I was dyeing a bunch of stuff, and this is also just a secondary project to that, but we're going to dip it in the dye. That way it gives it a nice tie-dye effect. I did microwave this in the microwave for like a minute just to make that dye actually like heat soak in. And then we're going to pull all these little rubber bands off, which is going to reveal some of that white. I probably should have definitely tied these a little tighter. I promise this will turn out whiter though when we do the reveal. And here's the reveal. Here's 2 bags because I did 2 of them in this effect. And then we're going to just take some white paint and draw these super cute little pumpkins on here, which, gosh golly, I just love this DIY so much because I feel like this turns out so super cute and it's so stinking easy. Definitely a beginner project with a lot of dramatic effect, and yeah, I just really like it. And I wanted to share it with you guys because I thought it was super cute. And here's the final bag. What do you think?